Welcome back to our channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and today we are going to make a rosette. So here I have taken up my paper strip. I have already scored it. So the size of these papers were 1 inches by 12 inches and 2 inches by 12 inches. So I have taken two strips of each size and then I scored it, and now I'm going to use my tacky tape. So yes, do check our YouTube channel. All the videos, they are absolutely amazing. Just in case if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that. You can even follow us on our Facebook page where we do a lot of live sessions, and you can watch out a lot more interesting videos there too. So here I am using my tacky tape. I have been always using my tacky tape for my paper crafts, and I absolutely love it. Whatever the supplies I'm using here in this tutorial are available at our store growingcraft.com. You can even visit our offline store too. Now once I peel off both the pieces, I'm just going to join my each size rosette. So here I'm going to have two pieces. One is going to be of 4 inches after joining, and the other one is going to be of 2 inches. So here I have taken another beautiful pattern paper, and I'm going to use my paper crafting tool. So here I'm going to make two circles. One is going to be of 5 inches diameter. The other one is going to be a little smaller than that. You can choose the size as per your convenience. Whatever the supplies, like I mentioned, I have used, I'll mention the video description box. You can just check that for the complete list. Now another circle which I'm drawing here is of 4 inches, and with this the paper cutting is super easy. My circles are super awesome. Now it's time to stick my rosette. So here I'm going to have my glue gun, and I use two different types of glue guns. One is the heavy duty one for my mixed media and my decoupage projects. This one is for my paper crafting. Why I use two different size of glue gun, you can check out a video on my YouTube channel for that. So once I apply my glue gun on a cardstock, then I just stick it, and I'm going to repeat the same for the other one too. Now it's time to assemble, and of course we are going to add a lot of layers to it. So here first I am going to use my glue gun and stick my first base. You need to make sure that you choose the colors wisely, you choose your shades wisely, choose the layers wisely, so that it becomes much more easier for you guys to have different layers and nice thickness to it. So once I'm done with my basic sticking work, here I'm going to use my massive fibers, and these are one of the best elements what you can have in your card making, mixed media projects, your decor, your decoupage art. So I absolutely love it. Like, they have a lot of shades, so I love using all the shades. So with this one, my red one was going really nicely. So this is more of a festive color, so I just thought of blending a lot of more things with this color. So I'm going to have my white stones, and those are like with the metallic ones, and then I'm going to have my paper flower, and then I'm going to assemble everything in one plat. It's time to add a lot of glitter. I absolutely love it, and as the color and theme goes, adding glitter is going to be so much fun. So here I'm just adding my liquid adhesive, and I am going to make sure that I apply generous amount of glitter. So here I'm using my golden one, which is really going to highlight really well, and this tray really helps me in just saving all the excessive glitter, and then I can pour it easily back in my container. So once I am done with this, I am just going to remove all the excessive glitter, and once I'm happy with that, I'm going to add my stick to it. So yes, with this my video tutorial is done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and if you are going to try this out, do let me know that too. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.